You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's do it again.
Whoa! Me.
Whoa!
Look.
Where's your other card? Whoa!
Whoa!
Can you put a card there? Look, can you put the card there? Look. Look at
Mom.
this. Oh, can you go all the way across? Can you make it drive all the way across and then go there?
No!
Oh!
Yay!
Oh!
Wow!
Whoa!
Me. Me.
Can you make it go up? Can you put the car? Look, Taylor, watch. Put the car on there and then go up. Can you make it go? Whoops!
Whoa!
Can you put the car down? Watch, Taylor. Can you put the elevator down?
Whoa!
Can you put the car on there? And then go up? Now push it. Push it. Uh-oh, it got stuck. Can you help it? Good girl. Where's the other one? Do you want to put both of them down at the same time? Here. Oh, it's, move it down. Move it down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where's the cars? Where's the cars?
No! No!
Here's one car.
No!
Here's the other car. Here, can you do them at the same time? Here, let's do it at the same time. One. Oh.
Wow! No, no.
You want to do it again? Let's do it again. You want to do it again? Here, you ready? Oh.
No!
Okay, let's do them again. Let's do it at the same time. Watch, let's do it at the same time. You ready? Can you press that one and I'll do this one? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Taylor?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2,